Hey everyone, welcome to Bhava Jnanantara. Today we are diving into the world of statistics. Now, don't worry, this isn't just about boring numbers. In fact, statistics has two very interesting meanings. First one, number themselves. It can mean the number themselves. Think of it as the raw fact around us. For example, India's population is 1.4 billion. Average rainfall is 120 centimeters, as well as literacy rate is 77%, like this. And these are numbers, and we call them statistics. Second, statistics is also a science, the science of data. This is all about collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting numbers. So, they tell us something meaningful. For example, marks of 60 students in mathematics examination, population figures of different states, blood pressure readings of 100 patients. See, statistics is not just numbers. It's the story those numbers tell. Let's see definition of numbers and the science of data. Numbers themselves are also called plural sense of definition. Statistics in the plural sense means numbers or facts that describe something. They are raw numbers collected from surveys, experiments, or records. And the science of data is defined as statistics in singular sense, that another term of the science of data, singular sense. Okay, this definition is like this. Statistics in singular sense is the science or method of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data to make it meaningful and useful. So, remember, numbers are statistics, but how we handle and understand them is also statistics. Cool, right? Now, you make me think, why should I care about statistics? Let's look at the example. Here are the marks of 60 students in a maths exam. Looking at all these numbers one by one is confusing, right? But if we add all the marks and divide by the numbers of students, we get the average. In this case, the total marks is 4170, and numbers of students is 60. Let's divide that. We get average 69.5. Boom, just like that. Statistics helps us make sense of a big pile of numbers. It turns messy data into useful information that we can understand and use. This is exactly why we use statistics in. We use statistics in schools and colleges, for example, class averages and standard averages, like that. In business, we can use to calculate about sales, profits, and so on. And government also use statistics for their planning. For example, population and employment, all those things. And even sports. In sports also, statistics is useful. For cricket, for example, cricket, batting average, strike rate, run rate, all there behind the statistics. Basically, statistics is everywhere around us. Now that we know what statistics and why it is important, the next step is to understand the different types of data we work with. Once we know the types of data, calculating averages, finding the median, or even